stop here. You just saw that CHP unit, and they're going to try and pin this guy. Oh boy, and he's going to make it through. Freeway here, 91 freeway east, 91. Oh, and he spun him. And he spun him, guys. That is the on-ramp to the 91 east right here at Clark. So the Lakewood area here, and it looks like he just was spun out.
Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me.